Okay, follow what I do. I'm not going to be using red for this one, but just follow what I'm doing. You will be having to add another layer, press that little plus there, and then do red or whatever color you want for blood. I'm using pink, of course, but you're going to want to draw like whatever shape you want, like I did, and color it in as you see what I'm doing. You can draw it as big as you want. I'm also going to give you a neck example of what I did, and if you want the QR code, I will give you the QR code. But and then you're going to want to take the white color pen and then make like little incisions like I do on there until it looks like you totally ruined whatever I made. And then you're gonna put like little holes or big ones like I did on the blood.
We're in the middle of the town, and like we were saying earlier,
you're gonna be wanting to put stripes, holes,
a monument Lenin, who was the founder and who started everything about the Soviet Union and like communism and stuff.
You're gonna want to put like half circles, whole circles, deformed circles, and then like that. And then you're gonna want to get a darker color and just put a teeny tiny bit of the darker color on the outline of some things, like I am, of course, as you see. Then you're gonna do the small lines, and then after you're done with the darker color, you're going to not do what I did. I had a brain fart at that moment. But you're gonna make a darker pink from the pink that I just used, and then outline it again like I did, as you can see, and do it until it looks like something like blood or like blurred blood. And then when you're happy with the formation of what you made,
let's explain that a little bit. The radiation went all the way to not one.
Once you're happy with that, you're going to go to the brush and then press filter, and then scroll until you see mosaic, and then do whatever width you want for the blood. And then here's the next example. I will give you the code for this one too. It's called Tear Brush. And all you have to do is like do that, and then get a lighter color, and then get another lighter color, and then draw on it, and then put the filter mosaic back on it, like I did. And then there you go. You have blood. Bye.